OnTheList is a completely free restaurant waitlist and table management app designed to increase your restaurant's table turn rate and customer satisfaction. You can easily recreate your restaurant's multiple floor plans directly in the app and organize your waiting customers within seconds. When adding a group to the waitlist, you can select which part of the restaurant the group wants to be seated at, then select the party size, and OnTheList will calculate accurate wait times for your guests. In addition to this, you can enter a note in this field for any special requests. Our free app will allow you to save your customer contact information in this customer database. This way, you can easily and quickly seat your loyal customers. You can also add a new customer to your database on the fly, or pick an existing customer. The customers can even add themselves to the waitlist remotely when they are on their way to your restaurant using their phone. They can do this via your own branded app or on your TownVu page. They will be added to the waitlist immediately, and you'll see them on the OnTheList app instantly. Once the table is ready, you can notify your customers by text and then seat them to immediately occupy the table on the virtual table map. In case of a large group, you can merge an empty table with another table. If customers switch tables, you can transfer the group to another table. Our free app also comes with a table reservation functionality. You can add reservations directly from the OnTheList app in the reservation section when the customers call in. You can also accept reservations from your free TownVu page or from your own branded app. You can set up reminder emails about the reservation for the customer, or even set up advanced payment for the online reservation to eliminate no-shows. When a customer makes an online reservation, the reservation will appear in OnTheList immediately. Download the OnTheList by SalesVu app from the App Store today and contact us via chat or email or phone 24/7 if you have any questions. We'll be happy to help you get up and running.